Good morning, my dear students. So, last two class we discussed the same topic, question tags. So, now we are going to complete question tag topics today itself. Now, I am going to teach you that's imperative model and how can use let with the shall. Already we merely discussed these two topics. Again, I am going to teach you. See, if imperative sentence, now for example in order imperative sentence in order, for example, call him. What is the tag of the call him? No need to identify positive and negative sometimes. Here the word is positive. I mean the sentence, given sentence is positive, but our answer should be negative, already discussed. But here also you have to write positive. Call him, will you? Like that. For example, don't call him. How can we write? The same thing we have to write, will you? No, both also correct answer, positive or negative. But sometimes the sentence has in urgent sentence has, for example, call him immediately. Call him immediately. What is the tag here? Call him immediately. Here the sentence shows it's urgent. That's why I have used you, won't you. See, remember children, this is the difference between imperative sentence. It's a simple polite request and a positive or negative sentence. You have to write will you or would you or something. But the same sentence is going to take urgent. Call him immediately, won't you? For example, write quickly. Write it quickly. How can we write quickly? So the same thing, won't you. So this is the words. Already we discussed the imperative sentence like that. For example, please go there. How do you write please go there? Would you. The polite request you have to write would you. The same thing we discussed. And one more thing, let, the future form, let us go there. So the word let starts with answer shall be. That's all. Can only be positive or negative. So let the word starts with shall be. Let us come here. Let us come. Like how can we write? Here also the same thing. Shall be. You have to write. For example, let us play. What is the answer for let us play? The same thing, shall be. So this is the difference between imperative sentence and the word starts with let. And also we discussed the same thing, positive words and negative sentence and the positive words like that, rarely, scarcely, ever, never, like that we discussed the last thing. And only one thing, the only word. What is the word? Only. The important one, only. The word takes both positive and negative tags. Remember children, side by side please note down these things in your classwork notebooks. Only the word takes positive and negative tags. How sir? So it is applicable for the question tags areas. So only the word only the word takes positive tag and negative tag. For example, only children go there. So what is the tag up here? Only children go there. This may be positive or negative. You have to consider. Only children go there. The given question is a simple present tense. You have to write do they or don't they. Do they or don't they. So here the only word takes. The only children go there. That's you have to write the positive sense or negative sense. Do they or don't they? Have to write. You have to write. For example, he did only one mistake. How can we write? He did only one mistake. Remember children, the word only takes here. He did only one mistake. How can we write? Here the word only takes positive or negative. Here the verbs given here, main verb, subject plus verb. we need these two things, did plus not didn't, positive or negative can you identify? You can either both answer you have to write. For example, did plus not what part? Did plus not didn't he, or positive answer did he. Either this or this, both also correct for applicable, because the only word takes positive or negative meaning in the sentence. Remember, so these are the ideas we have included in the question tag areas. Okay, next we are going to learn one more thing. What's that? How can we identify simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple present tense do, does, did. See, remember children, let, shall be, the same thing, only word takes positive or negative meaning. Here I am going to teach you now. The word do, how can we use, and does, how can we use. The same thing, do, does, it is a past tense, did. These two only present. This one is refers to past. This is present tense, this is past tense. See, do, does, and did. How can we identify? So the given sentences, you have to identify it. The given question is present or past or something. For example, he plays here. He plays here. That's all. Simply I have written. See, remember students, suppose the main verb is given on here. Am, is, are, was, have, had, will, shall, should. Something is given here. Shall means shan't. Will means won't. Can means can't. But here, there is no auxiliary verbs given here. Subject plus main verb alone given here. So again, identify the verbs. Play. Play is the present form or past form. Play is a present tense. Play is a present tense. Here, he refers to singular sense. That's why I added here s singular verbs. He plays. So now how can we write? So the here the plural subject takes do, singular subject takes does, because it is a present tense. Here singular subject or plural subject? Singular only. Question is positive or negative? Positive. So answer must be negative. Here he plays third person singular. The singular verb does. Singular verb does. Positive or negative? Positive. So answer must be negative. Doesn't he? See, how can I use here does? See, remember the main verb only alone given here. Play. Not am, is, or is not given here. But the main verb alone is given here. That's why I used does. Why I used does here? Because the third person singular he is given here. The same thing do. How can we write? They play here. They play here. It's the same thing. Subject plus the main verb play. Play is refers to only the present tense. Then you have to identify it present or past. Sir, present tense, sir. Then see the do here. Do here singular or plural? Plural sense. So the plural sense takes do. Singular sense takes does. Positive or negative? Positive. So the tag must be negative. So next you have to write don't they. Remember children how I had written the answer. Do, does, how I used here. Singular subject does. Plural subject do. So according to positive or negative you have to write don't or doesn't. You have to write. Suppose did, how can we use did? Did Ram went there. Ram went there. We know about only one thing, subject plus, we know that's all. How can we identify the given question is present or past? Sir, though past tense is given here, went. See, there is no was, there is no had, there is no will. That alone we have to take and write. But here, subject plus main verb alone given here. So we can easily identify the given question is past. Past means directly we move for singular and plural both. Both also you have to use did. The given question is past or negative, positive or negative? Positive, sir. So answer must be negative. So did plus not what pa? Did plus not didn't. Ram becomes he. Ram becomes he. So this is the answer for the given questions. Ram went, the answer didn't he. The same thing negative sense takes, for example, Ram never went there. The given question is positive or negative. So Ram never went is a negative meaning is given here, and also the subject plus verb is given here. Subject plus verb. The main verb is given here. Go past tense went. Then answer must be. So question is negative manner. Answer must be. The tag must be positive manner. How can we write? Did Ram becomes he? did he, did he. This is the difference between how, or this is the usage of do, does, did. And remaining things we got written the main verbs am, is, or, was, were, have, has, had, will, shall, may, might. You have to take and write the answer. May, mayn't he, couldn't he, wouldn't he, am I, like that you have to write. But here do, does, did, how I used to now. That is why I have clearly explained now. And the same thing, that last only one thing, there is no do here. Sometimes the do here is everyone, anybody, someone, somebody, like that they will ask. Then how can we write? How can we write? See, for example, someone is going, someone is going there, like that. How can we identify? Someone is going there. So then here you must identify the verb, you must identify the subject. For example, subject is given here Ram, Raj, you, he, she. We can directly take and write. But here without do here, but the word is given someone. How can we write the someone word? Here someone becomes they. It considers a plural. We don't know anything. Who is going there? So someone. So that's why here the someone is considered how? They. Okay. The given question, identify the tense form. Is refers to simple present tense. Present form we are using. Going. It is a present continuous given here. But is refers to a present. Here is a singular, but they becomes are. Right or not, you know that, but because someone becomes they is going, like that we do not say. Then how can we say they are going? We are saying Then third one, what's our duty to identify? Third one, positive or negative. This is positive sense. The negative answer what? So is becomes are. The negative meaning aren't. Someone becomes they. So this is the given question answer. Someone is going, that answer someone becomes they is the plural form, or because they is considered they are, tag is positive, answer must be negative, aren't they, you have to write. For example, everyone will play here. Everyone will play here. Then positive or negative? Positive. Then identify the subject, identify the verb. The will is given here and subject is given here. Everyone becomes they. And the same thing will already we will take. So subject plus verb, like that you have to do. Then will plus not what? Won't. Will plus not won't. Then everyone becomes they. So then what is the answer for the given questions? So won't they, you have to write. Everyone will play here. The answers won't they, you have to write. And one more example. Somebody has taken my book. Somebody has taken my book. Here somebody becomes what? They. So somebody is a singular only, that's why singular verb used. But here we used they. But has is a present perfect, then plural form of the verb. Has plural form of the verb have. So this is the answers for the somebody, they, have is a plural form, have. Then tag is a positive or negative, just to identify. Given question is positive, answer must be negative. Then how can we write? Somebody, have becomes have, has becomes have, positive or negative. Haven't they? Haven't they? You have to write. Suppose the negative manner is given. What, sir? Somebody has not taken. Somebody has not taken my book. So somebody becomes what? They. Somebody becomes they. The question is negative manner is given here. So tag must be positive. So has becomes have. How, sir? Because the plural form of the subject is given here. Someone becomes as a plural noun they. That's why the verb should be plural have they. This is the difference between someone, everyone, anybody, somebody, like that we have to identify and answer it. And also in English the three words already in negative manner. What are they, sir? Already in negative manner. What are they? So no one, none, nobody, nobody. These three words are already in negative. No one, nobody, none. So these three words are already in negative. So while we are writing answer, the tag must be positive. Let us see examples. No one will study. No one will study. So the question is positive or negative? Question is negative. So the tag must be positive. Here no one, nobody, none. So it becomes the subject like that. They. You have to write they. So write the answers they. Okay. Then the tag is positive or negative? Question negative sensor. Then answer is positive. Then how can we write? Will they? See the same thing. Nobody has attended. Nobody has attended. You know the meaning of the sentence. Here the sentence is positive or negative? Sir, negative, sir. So then write the positive answer. So here nobody becomes they. And they is the plural. Then the has, the subject is singular given here. You have to write the plural verb have they. Got an idea? Have they. How becomes they? Because singular subject, singular verb. Here that singular subject becomes a plural subject. The same thing, how to write singular verb as a plural verb. Negative sentence, positive answer. None. None is present. That means we know about it. None is present. Yes, none. The word becomes they. The question is negative. So answer tag is must be positive. So is becomes are, because it is a present tense, you know. Was means were, but is a present form. So you have to write is plural verb are. Okay. This is a difference between positive sense somebody, someone, no one, nobody. So none, nobody, no one. These three words already in negative manner. You have to identify it, then you have to answer in clear manner. Suppose in the examination point of view, how can they ask, sir? For example, no one attends the class. No one attends the class. So option A, do they? Option B, don't they? Option C, does he? Option D, and do we? Like that they have got. How can we identify? How can we answer? First thing, the given question is positive or negative. So no one attends the class. So here the given question is negative. So the given question is negative means tag must be positive. You have to identify it. Okay. Then given question is identify the main verbs. Identify the main verbs. Here anything verbs are given here. Subject plus main verb. Subject plus main verb is given here. Attend. Attend is given here. Then the same thing, present tense is given here. Present tense. So no one becomes what part? They. No one becomes they. Then the same thing here. The verb, main verb takes, plural form takes, singular form takes, does, plural form takes, do. Already we discussed. So here, what is the answer for here? Negative sense, positive tag. Then what is the answer comes here? Do they? Am I right or not? Do they? How becomes? No one becomes they. Attends is a simple present tense. Simple present tense you have to do or does. So answer is do they? Do they? So these are the methods you have to write the answers of the given question. Given question. Like that in examination point of view they will ask. So you have to ready to write. Let us say one more example. Someone has stolen my book. Option A, has she? Option B, hasn't she? Option C, haven't she? Or haven't they? Absent D, have they. So like that they will ask in examination. Someone has stolen. See, first thing, positive or negative? Positive. So the tag must be negative. Someone becomes they. Someone becomes they. The singular subject, singular verb. Now it becomes a plural subject, then plural verb have. So here the positive sentence is given, then you have to write that negative tag must be written under answer. What is the negative tag given here? Have plus not what pa? Haven't and they. Someone becomes no. So the given question answer is haven't they. So how the answer becomes like that? Like that the same thing, negative sentence and the positive sentence I have written here. So you are the only people responsibility to identify the answers and the correct manner. Correct manner. So nearly 3 classes we discussed. So 3 classes we discussed question tag. Question tag. So from this area, sure 2 marks they will ask. How many marks? 2 marks they will ask. So the only people have to identify and answer it. For example, Ravi sings a song. How can we write? Option A, does he? Option B, doesn't he? Option C, do he? Option D, and did he? Like that the answer is given on the question paper. How can we write Ravi? Ravi becomes he. Given question is positive or negative? The given question is positive. So the tag must be negative. Negative, you have to identify it. The sings, subject plus verb. Subject plus verb. So then sings is a simple present tense. Simple present tense means what pa? Do plus does, you have to identify it. Do plus does, then we can easily answer it. So the negative manner, do plus not don't, does plus not doesn't. Here singular noun, singular verb. So here the answer becomes does plus not doesn't. Does plus not doesn't. The same sentence we have to take. For example, Ravi can sing a song. Ravi can sing a song. How can we write, children? You know that we know we have to write can alone. No need to write sing. This is the main one. Can plus not what pa? Can't, that's all. Ravi becomes what? Positive or negative? Positive sentence is given. So answer must be negative. So can plus not can't. Ravi becomes he. That's all. So this is a similar between simple present tense and the ability sentence in future. Ability sentence in future, like that I have written on the board. So in future, in examination point of view, sure they will ask like this questions. So without fail, you must get 2 marks from these areas. I mean, one from spot error they will ask, and one more thing, first 21 marks they will ask like this. Choose the best answer, like that they will ask. And remaining thing we will discuss the next class, students. So side by side you have to learn thoroughly. You have to learn thoroughly and do your homework at home sincerely. There are many examples we have learnt these 3 classes. So you must learn thoroughly and submit your classworks when you will return to school. Thank you very much. I will meet you again.